Ever imagined a rescue robot that's alive? In Berlin, a startup called SWARM Biotactics has turned science fiction into science fact by transforming cockroaches into intelligent AI-powered bio-robots. Here's how it works. These aren't your average bugs. Each cockroach gets a tiny sensor backpack packed with AI, neural control systems, and secure communication tech. Once outfitted, they join forces as a smart swarm capable of moving as a team, slipping through tight spaces and exploring areas where traditional drones or robots just can't go. Low power, high agility, and natural movement mean these bio-robots can handle collapsed buildings, thick forests, or even hostile urban zones. In June 2025, SWARM Biotactics secured a massive €13 million funding boost to kick things up a notch. Their plan? Roll out pilot missions with defense, security, and emergency teams across Europe and North America. Start mass-producing the neural sensor backpacks. And grow their engineering team to push this tech even further. Experts say blending insect instinct with AI-powered swarm intelligence could transform surveillance, rescue, and security missions forever. So next time you see a cockroach, remember it might just be a high-tech hero in disguise.